Hey guys, so today we're going to have to clean my spa, but I want to do it a little differently today. I want to try to make a do-it-yourself water pump, or spa pump I should say, do-it-yourself spa pump, where I could vacuum out some of the bigger debris and things like that and clean it up, as well as suck some water out for me to change the water. So I'm going to try to do it with this water transfer pump that I have right here, and we're going to give it a shot. Alright, so we got this budget water transfer pump right here, and let's see what it comes with. It's like 50 bucks on Amazon or something like that. But it's basically just a transfer pump, water transfer pump. Alright, so fill with water first. It's telling you you have to prime it, so you can't just run it dry. Let's see what else it comes with. Alright, little filter. I actually could use this when I'm just sucking out the water, but for my pump, my vacuum hack that I'm going to do right now, I won't need that. I don't even, is this it's a mounting plate for this guy if you want to mount it up on something. I won't be using that either. And it's got some replacement propellers. Hopefully I won't need that either. But anyways, let's give it a shot and see if I could make my own spa vacuum. Alright, so let's take a look. So you could see inside I got some debris from the trees that fall off and stuff like that. I got some dirt and stuff here. But that will be hard for me to get out with just a net or anything like that, because it's a little small. What I want to do is I want to create a vacuum that will suck all that out, at the same time, you know, transfer some water out, so I could do a 20% water change or something like that. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so let me show you guys what I have here. I just have 3/4 inch PVC, and I have a angle coupler, I guess you would call it. It's not a 90 degree, it's a 45 degree. What I want to do, the idea is that I would use the tube, and I would have a tube that comes down here, and I could vacuum up the things with a hose. So let's see how that goes. Okay, so I got a hose here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to thread this through first. See how much I need. More than that. Okay. So this hose should be able to fit in here in the 3/4 inch pipe, and I'll just slide it in. Okay, so it's coming out. It's perfect. I want it to come out a little bit more so that the plastic's not rubbing against the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to take some pliers and kind of pull it out the rest of the way, so that when I'm sucking things, I don't want the hard PVC to rub against the tub. I want the softer hose material. Okay, so got that. So now I'm going to connect this. This is just basically a handle. And there you go. I think is going to be my pool vacuum. Take a full look at this. Okay. Let's see. Make sure I turn it so I cut this at an angle also, so that it'll be smooth against the bottom. Okay. So let's go to the transfer. There's a direction, there's an arrow on these transfer pumps. So make sure the water is going the right way. Alright, that's the input, output. Straighten out that hose. Okay, so I have it hooked up. Here's the output and here's the input with my vacuum hose. let's get an extension cord and give it a shot. Right, so there's no power switch on this, so I'm not going to plug it in yet. I'm going to get some water in this tube and then let it sink down to prime the pump first. Okay, I'm just going to take the tube and let the water run down into the... Okay, now I'm just going to leave that in there while I plug this in. Alright, that's good. So you can see how much water is coming out. That's great. And right now it's just transferring water. But let's see how well it vacuums up the stuff. It's working pretty well. Let's get this big piece. That was easy. Wow, that's working great. You can see all those bits are gone now. Let's go over there and get these last pieces. That's good. So you can see, it just works as a vacuum. And when I'm done, I'm just going to leave it in there for a little bit while it's transferring some water, so I could change around 10-20% of the water. So that's pretty good. I think it's working great. Might do it yourself water vacuum, spa vacuums working out great. If you could use, I had to unplug that because it was loud, but you could use any water transfer pump you want, but I'll leave a link in the description for this one if you're interested. This is a, like I said, it's a budget one that you could get on Amazon. So I'm going to take out a little bit more water and finish cleaning up my spa.